Dad, I got an A+ on my test today. I got a B, and I thought that was pretty good too.
Anna, that is amazing, sweetheart. I'm so proud of you.
Mom, I studied hard too, even if mine isn't an A+.
I know, Tom. I am proud of you too.
AB is okay, Tom, but I know you can do better. I really tried my best this time. Look what I made in art class. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow, that looks fantastic, Anna.
My teacher said it was one of the prettiest in class.
I believe it, because it looks like it came from a real shop. Hold it higher, Anna. I need the perfect picture for Twister.
Wait, let me smile bigger so everyone can see it.
There, I posted it. People are gonna love this.
Add the part about the A+ too, because that makes it even better.
I feel like a little star right now.
You should, honey. Today is your day.
Tom, what do you have back there?
Oh, it's nothing important. It's just a paper plane I made at school.
Did it crash before it even flew?
Mine is art, and yours looks like laundry. It only looks bent because I kept it in my bag.
Tom, don't be so sensitive. She's just joking. Yeah, I know, but it didn't feel very funny. Since Anna had such a great day, I'm making her favorite dinner tonight.
That sounds like a nice way to celebrate.
Really? You're making that for me.
Of course, my little champion deserves something special.
Mom, I can't eat that. You know it makes me sick.
Oh, right. I forgot for a second.
Could you make chicken drumsticks for me instead? I would, but we don't have any in the fridge right now.
Oh. I'll make them another day, okay? You said that last time, too. For tonight, you can have soup. It's simple, but it's fine.
It looks like hot water that met one vegetable.
You always say silly things when you're upset.
I'm not trying to be funny, but the soup is helping.
Anna, your dinner looks amazing, just like your craft.
This is the best day ever. My dinner looks like the sad side character.
Tom, please don't start tonight.
Listen to this. Someone wrote, "This kid is so talented."
See? People really notice special work.
Read more, Dad. I want to hear all of them.
Here's another one that says you have a gift.
We could make a cute page and post every new design.
And I can handle the photos and shipping. Someone even offered money for this piece.
See, I told you your art could be worth something.
Where are you going, Tom?
To my room, because the soup and I are both done. At least you don't laugh at me. You may be crooked, little plane, but you're still mine. I wanted to show them that you can really fly. Maybe tomorrow I'll do something good enough for them to notice. I wanted to show them that you can really fly. Maybe tomorrow I'll do something good enough for them to notice. Okay, today is my chance. If I clean the house, maybe they will smile at me too. This is gonna be great. Well, unless this thing sounds like a monster.
What is that awful noise? Did a robot lion move into this house?
Whoa, that is way louder than I expected. Sorry, vacuum. I didn't know you liked shouting.
Tom, why are you vacuuming this early?
It sounds like the floor is being attacked.
I just wanted to clean the house for you. That is kind, but please don't make this much noise before breakfast. Okay, I'll do something quieter.
Thank you, buddy, because my ears are still shaking.
Books are quiet, so this should be safer. I'll line them up neatly and everyone will be happy. Big books on the bottom, small books on top. See, I do know how to organize things. I didn't mean to do that. This is so bad. This is very, very bad. I didn't mean to do that. This is so bad. This is very, very bad. You broke it, Tom. You broke the best thing I ever made. I was cleaning, and it slipped off the table. What happened in here?
Why is Anna crying like the house is on fire?
My craft. What happened to my craft? Tom.
What happened to it, Anna?
It's broken. He ruined it, and now it's torn in half.
Tom, tell me this was hung on purpose. Were you jealous and trying to hurt her feelings?
No, Mom. I was only trying to clean up.
Come with me, young man, because we need to talk.
But you didn't even listen to me yet.
Why would I do that on purpose?
Because sometimes kids do mean things feel upset.
You should never destroy someone else's work out of jealousy.
I was not jealous, and I did not destroy it on purpose.
It's okay, sweetie. We'll try to repair it. It will never look the same again.
I was trying to help, and then my elbow hit it by mistake.
Excuses do not fix broken trust, Tom.
Nobody believes me anyway. Maybe I should just stay out of the way. I'm gonna leave my book here for now.
Okay, but close the window later if the wind gets stronger. I hid my savings in this book, so it's safe. No one would ever think to look here.
That's weird. Where did my money go? It was right here in the book. Tom, did you take my money? What? No, I didn't even go near your book. I'm really trying to help you. Then help faster, because I'm getting nervous. Maybe it fell behind the desk or under a book. I already checked, and it's just gone.
What's going on here?
Please tell me nothing else is broken.
My money disappeared from my book.
Disappeared? Or did someone move it?
It's gone.
Are you sure?
Tom, did you take it when you were in here earlier?
No, I did not, and you have to believe me this time. Great! Now even the sky is upset. I guess I'm not the only one crying today. I didn't break it on purpose, and I didn't take the money. Why does being the quiet kid always make me look guilty?
It's too quiet, and I don't like it.
I thought he went to his room, but he's not there.
I should go home, but I'm scared they'll just blame me again. Maybe I'll wait a little longer.
Tom, this isn't funny. Answer me.
Check the backyard, and I'll check the garage.
Wait, we have the house camera.
Please tell me it recorded what happened in Anna's room.
Okay, I can do this. Oh no, it fell. She's gonna be so mad.
We were so unfair to him.
I gave him a whole speech for something he didn't mean to do.
I found my money under the bed.
So Tom didn't take it either.
I thought he did it because I was upset,
We all thought the worst.
and that was wrong.
Hey there, kid. Are you okay out here alone?
Not really, sir, and I don't know where to go.
Did you get lost? What, did you run away?
I ran because my family kept blaming me for things I didn't do.
That sounds very painful, and I'm sorry you felt alone.
I just wanted someone to listen before judging me.
A child should never feel so unseen that he runs into a storm.
You're right, officer, and we failed him badly today.
You both will do high days of community service, and I hope you use that time to think.
We understand, and we accept that.
Tom, we are deeply sorry, and from now on we will listen before we judge.
I forgive you, but next time please see me too. Hong just my mistakes.